morning. I hope you guys join us because today we're having pie for breakfast. Hi, I'm Annie from ketofocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast pancake pies. Now these pies are made out of pancake and they're stuffed with your favorite breakfast foods. So I'm going to show you how to use sausage and bacon, but you could use whatever combination of meats or cheeses that you wanted to. First up, let's make our pancake batter. This is a blender cream cheese keto pancake recipe. So to the blender, we're going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of monk fruit, or you can use a sweetener of your choice, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, or you can use nut milk, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You want to blend this up until it's smooth. You want to pour in your pancake batter, just a little tiny amount to each cavity of the pie maker. And then I'm going to add a little sausage patty on top of that. You could pour some additional batter on top or just stuff that sausage patty down in there. Close it and let it cook for around 5 minutes. You could also do this with bacon, again pouring the batter down and adding some bacon. After 5 minutes is up, just open up the pie maker and take out your little mini pancake pies. I like to top these with ChocZero's maple syrup. Their syrup is sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. They also have a ton of different flavors and varieties, so make sure you check them out. Make sure you tag us ChocZero with all of your photos of your delicious pancake pies.